Wait, can we cut open Grant's filter?
We are.
Grant, we're cutting your filter. He needs a beer for this. That sounds about right.
He's afraid of what might be happening.
He's Lebowski. Well, Jessup did the work, so I'd be afraid to.
Yeah, it's probably all right. I mean, it's not been long enough for it to really be shedding too much.
2,500 miles.
Is that what you got on it?
Yeah. I think it's got a good filter on it. Ooh, there we go.
So, first question, is the oil pumping in from the middle and pumping out from the edges, or is it, what's
It
the
goes
flow?
usually outside and then it sucks it through the middle. But depending on which engine you have, I can't remember. Like as long as it's filtering, it's fine. Woo! Well, Rick's got it cut.
It is a hot mofo.
LS is right.
Yeah, they do.
Is this attached?
It's probably bonded on the end.
Yeah, it must be.
There you go. Don't cut your finger open.
Yeah, that's the idea, is to try to break it loose without slicing my finger.
There we
open.
go. All right. Ooh!
Let's go get a magnet.
A magnet? Go get a magnet. Ooh, there's some swirly glittery in there.
Yeah, I see some glitter.
But that's normal. That's more than likely normal glitter. Not excessive glitter. Hello!
Hey,
We are doing race car type shit.
so I see, this is the first oil change since the partial engine rebuild, and we're looking for chunks.
It's gonna be a little, but
Yeah.
Rick's got the magnet.
Let me feel around in here first. I can't imagine there's a whole lot going in here.
Get some chunkies. I see some swirl.
Something floating around.
I see swirl.
But, wait a minute, a lot of the engine is aluminum.
Yeah.
So-
No, there's a little bit of iron. That could even be part of when the lifter died too.
They dropped the pan, they opened the front end, it's got a new water pump, all
We
that.
actually should take this thing apart. It's going to be easier.
Rip it open. I'm gonna pour this and just watch for glitter. Oh, there's some aluminum swirls. Look at in the bottom.
Yep.
Look at that in the oil.
I choose to consider that mocha.
No, it's not milkshake. It's
I said mocha.
look.
Let me find a little bit of.
We got a little glitter. There, it's not horrible. The filter's doing its job, though. It's all in there. Let's take it apart. There we go. Glenn's like, I've done this.
So, I see your head over there.
Yep, the oopsie.
A little bit of an oopsie.
Not on my, not this head, the cylinder head.
Oh.
We haven't
I'm
got
like, what'd you do to your head?
nothing yet.
More oopsie than before?
No, that's just the oopsie.
This is you're darn lucky oopsie.
Yeah,
No, I was talking about his head.
that's been damaged. Yeah, there we go.
Easier. No. Get a blade, I guess.
Just cut it
It's
open.
cracked right there, so I was hoping we could just peel this off. But
Peel the filter
That's
open. Cut it. All right, back to our can.
yeah.
Just a little glitter.
What is gaming his car? You gotta expect some glitter.
No, not in there.
Not in there. Well, a little.
And actually, as it settles out,
It's not horrible.
no, it is a little bit.
Don't cut your finger.
That's gonna be the goal. It's okay. We got a doctor here.
I think we do have a doctor here. We're fine.
Yeah, but
We've got a medical staff.
We have no suture material.
Not tape. Glue.
I got thread around here for seats.
Improvise.
I was taking a shower one time at the beach, and we had those old soap dishes that were built into the tile wall.
Oh,
My elbow hit it and went down, chopped my big toe.
Oh!
Called Allie's buddy, who's a urologist. I'm like, hey man, can you come sew my toe up? He's like, I'm a urologist. I'm like, don't you operate on people? Like, it's just like, you just have you ever darned your socks or anything? It's just like that. It's like nothing beautiful about it.
no, you just have to make the edges stay together.
Right. So he comes over, and I'm like, and he's got all this shit. I'm like, do you have any Novocaine? He's like, no, dude. It's like I was at home. Like, what the fuck do you think this is?
Or just put some ice on it.
Yeah, so that's what we did. I'm like, how many stitches am I getting? He's like, fuck, I have no idea. It was painful.
That was close.
That was close.
Just pour whiskey on it like the old days.
Fucking knife is not
We know the filters are tough.
That's,
I gotta say the AC Delco filters are pretty solid.
I was gonna say you got that reciprocating song.
yeah, right? Might add a little bit of its own metal to the situation,
Blade change.
but I think that might help.
Not bad.
Allie's gonna be stoked that I got my oily hands all over this thing.
Yeah, it's fine. Spray clean it off. It'll be fine. There you go.
Only sounds like it's got
Yeah, it's actually cutting now. Actually cut. There we go. Scotty, we've got a game plan for that. Just we got to finish this first.
What, the oil change or cutting open the filter?
The filter.
What's he
How
doing?
did the oil?
Better than the boat.
Yeah, better than the boat.
There was a little glitter, but it was fine.
In this one?
Yeah, but it was just.
Cutting open the
Oh,
oil.
yeah, that's
Open
right.
Oh, so you can see.
What?
But you'll be happy to know that AC Delco filters are put together to stay together.
You're
Yeah,
used to
apparently.
trachea, that's why it's so hard.
Is that what it is?
Yep, you're used to
Why don't you
trachea.
just bust out the Sazon?
Yeah,
It'll
because we
add
don't
material.
want to add any
I'm kidding.
additional metal to it.
I'm kidding. 'Cause you
Oh,
guys
yeah, I
just
feel like
had
we're
it
getting
out.
close.
Oh, here we go. It's like
Do this side, I guess.
I'm so excited about her car.
That's cool. Is
That
it?
thing's
What
nice.
year is it?
24.
She's from the
Oh, it's
future.
brand new.
Yeah. She's a
Damn.
car from the future. Oh my god.
The sound system is amazing in that thing.
We
And
heard,
that was
we heard
like
you
halfway
checking
up.
it out.
I you got that in video. I'm like, holy shit, this sounds
I
constant.
know. It's amazing.
all right. Check this filter, eh?
God bless, that seemed like a lot of work.
That was like 10 minutes. There's like
Can't tell if it's a reflection.
Oh, no, flashlight?
there's like nothing.
Well, that looks pretty good, really. I mean, they're saying that big metal
Flip it
chunks.
over.
But we're going to get to the other side. I don't think we got very far this way, did we?
There's like one little thing right there.
Okay.
Man, that thing
There's some.
There's
There you go.
Yeah.
just a little.
So it's on, is that the inside or the outside? Yikes.
A little
It's
bit.
Yeah, it's definitely slab. I guarantee you this is from the first go around.
Yeah, from when it came
Because they
apart.
probably didn't flush it.
not- Oh, yeah, look at all that.
There's a nice piece right there.
Oh yeah. Rick's got it on his finger.
Show up any better?
Let me zoom in. Oh, there
Must
we
be
go.
nice for everybody to be so tall.
I'm not tall.
This really isn't the ideal height to be doing this,
All right.
but
It's not bad.
Metal.
I mean, there's no big pieces there. No, there's a decent one.
Oh yeah, I can see it right there. Right there.
Oh, yeah, this is nice one right there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a biggie.
Yeah.
How big? I can't see.
Pretty good.
Ooh. Yeah.
All right, but that's not horrible.
I would say I would do the next oil change at 1,000 or 1,500.
Yeah, we'll just do it
Make
quick.
sure all this metal getting out of there. Personally,
Yep.
Yep.
Cheaper than a rebuild.
Oh yeah.
especially here.
You just gotta mash the potatoes, Grant.
Mash the potatoes.